Hi guys, it's Jerrica Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be swatching some of the new Maybelline liquid lipsticks that they have. I believe I picked up all the shades, and that's 5 shades here. Super nudie and chocolatey and mauve-y. Perfect for the winter. This is how everything looks here. So I went ahead and picked up all of the colors from Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can get them at Walmart, Target, your drugstore. I just didn't want to have to go to a whole bunch of different places to get them. I just want to get them all at once. So these are the shades here, and I'm going to be swatching everything for you. I think this will be great, especially now with the pandemic and us having to wear our masks all the time. I have tried these formulas before, and they are super pigmented, super long lasting. So wearing them right now with mask will be perfect, and you could still rock your lipstick while having your mask at the same time. So if you want to see how these colors look, then please stay tuned. Okay, so the first shade that I have here is shade 255 Chai, and this is what it looks like. This is the lightest one of the collection, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you. The applicator is like this. So it's gonna give you a precise application. They kind of smell like coffee, or this kind of smells like chai. So I don't know if they did that on purpose, but it smells really good. It goes on super creamy, super buttery. It feels very comfortable on the lips. So this one is Chai. Okay, so the next shade I have here is shade 260 Hazelnut. So it's just a little bit deeper than Chai. This one smells a little bit different. I'm sorry if you guys hear anything. They're doing construction at 12 o'clock in the morning. They're so easy to put on. They blend so nice. They even look good on its own with no lip liner. Once it dries, it is so comfortable on the lips. So once again, this shade is Hazelnut. I really like this color, and it does smell like hazelnut. So the next shade that I have here is 265 Caramel. And as the shades go up in number, they go a little bit deeper. So this actually seems to match my jacket. So let's see how this one looks. But overall, I've been impressed with every single color. And I think they would look great on every single skin tone. This one smells really good. This one reminds me of Ofra Miami Fever. Super nice, like orangey, rusty color. So this one is Caramel Collector. So the color's not all the way off, but since we're going in with deeper shades, it doesn't really matter. There's just a little bit on my outline, but I don't really want to mess it up too much because then it's going to mess with my foundation. But the next color that I'm going to go in with is 270 Cocoa Connoisseur. So it's just a little bit deeper than the one that I just used. So let's just see. And this smells like cocoa. You gotta be careful because it's super creamy, so it goes on your teeth. So because this is a deep color, it's not like perfect, but this is the best I'm gonna get it. And this color is just so nice. I don't usually go for like dark colors like this, but this is just so pretty and so nice, so chocolatey, so perfect for the winter. So this is the shade here. Okay, so last but not least, the final color that I have here is 275 Mocha Inventor. And this looks like a dark chocolate, but it could be a little bit of maroon in it. So let's just see how it swatches on the lips. It smells so good too. Because it's so dark, you definitely want to try to at least go in with the lip liner for this one. So you can get a more like precise application and so it could look flawless. But it's the best you're gonna get with me not putting a lip liner on. super pretty. That was it, you guys. That's all the swatches of the newest Maybelline. What is it? So that's it, you guys. That's all the swatches of the new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink collection. Super chocolatey, nude brown shades for the winter. I would have to say that my favorite one is probably Caramel Collector and Cocoa Connoisseur. But genuinely, like, I would wear every single color. None of these colors like failed me. None of them was like, I probably wouldn't wear that. Like, I would definitely rock each and every one of these for a different occasion. But definitely a nice collection from Maybelline that would suit everyone's skin tones, no matter what. If you don't want to get all of them, there is a perfect color for every skin tone. From the lightest to the deepest. So definitely check these out, especially with coronavirus and us having to wear masks everywhere we go. I've been kind of missing like wearing lip glosses and wearing lipsticks, so this will be a great alternative because it'll dry matte. It's not going to get on your mask. It's going to last all day, and you still get to feel girly and pretty, you know, when you take your mask off. So these are the colors. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel and join the family, and I will see you in the next video. Please let me know down below which one was your favorite, and definitely let me know if you will be picking any of the colors up. Until the next video, bye.